about the type of people and relationship I had with the people I'm talking to and boasting and whatever. That's why that was relevant. But back to the details of what we're doing. You know, I was going over the ways that we're going to ensure alertness to grade the dancer's data, because I'm sure I'm gonna get this working. It's just work. It's just hard work, but I'm gonna get it working. So once we do get it working, we're going to hopefully go in business with. Hopefully she'll join because she's a good person. So I think she's a good person, but I think we'll see. But the plan is for her to be a part of this idea, because then she'd be vested. She'd have personal stake. She'd have stake, not just the paycheck, but she'd have stake in the growth of it. So she would do the best job, and I want the best thing that is possible for my capability. That's kind of what I'm after in this, and that's kind of how I want to hire. I don't want to hire anyone. I want people to want to do it if they want to do it. I'm not going to hire anybody. If they want to do it, they're going to get part of the reward. If they want to do the work, and I think that's how, if they're passionate about it and they're good people, I think I can make it work. I don't know what the struggles are going to be. I don't know anything, but I know that if they have the passion, then, which if you give them the incentive, they might have the passion, because she has the passion anyway in dance. So she maybe would be passionate about this if she had a personal stake in it, because whenever you have skin in the game, it matters more, and so you're going to try harder. At least that's how I am. I've never been so invested in something as I am on this right now. Well, maybe not never, but I've had some work jobs that are really cool. This is for me, so my personal freedom. So we're talking about how you're going to work with her and whatever, and then we talked about other things. Catch up when she's been gone for like almost a week. Then I told her about it fail. I told her about the success, and I told her about how it failed, and we talked about how to work with Molly. Well, Molly's the lady. I shouldn't probably say that, but whatever. No one watches the videos anyway. So, so I talked about that with her, and that's about it. I guess that's what I've done. There's probably a couple more things that I'm not. I know there's something there, but I can't think of it right now, and I don't want to keep rambling on. I know we did something else, but whatever. I'll talk about that next time. So that's about it. Got a lot of stories, a lot of progress, a lot of hurdles, but now I got to go back to the MCU. I've got to get. It's not starting over because I had to go to the MCU anyway to do the Bluetooth. So now I got to do the MCU to do the GPIOs. It was the fallback plan anyway. And so now my pie in the sky, the unicorn I was chasing, is dead. I've killed it. It's disappeared on me, or the unicorn, or the leprechaun, or whatever. And now I'm to real world, and I'm going to do it the super low power way, but not ideal. Well, it is ideal because there's no other way. And then move forward. And I talked about how to work with Molly, talked about some fish stories. That's about it. So Chet Lampert, it is September 21st, 2019, my journey to personal freedom. That's enough. Bye.